It's in the air you breathe, the food you eat, and deep inside you.
This is carbon, the universe's ultimate building block, the architect of all known life. At its core, a carbon atom is simple: 6 protons, 6 neutrons, and 6 electrons. But its power lies in its unique ability to form strong, complex chains and rings. These bonds create the very blueprint of life, the elegant double helix of DNA. In nature, plants perform a magical feat, inhaling atmospheric carbon dioxide. From the smallest atom to the largest ecosystem, carbon is the element of life itself.